Welcome again to this online tutorial. Now we want to look on how to inscribe a square in a given circle. How to inscribe a square in a given circle. So first of all, draw a circle of given dimensions, the diameter or the radius you're given. So you draw a circle there. So once you draw the circle, I've used the circle diameter 80. Circle measuring 80. Now draw the diameters, the two diameters. We have diameter from point A to C and from point B to D. They intersect at point O. So what you do next, join line point A to point B using a straight line. Point A to point B using a straight line. Join point B to point C using a straight line. And also join point C to point D, and finally join point D to point A. That's how you inscribe a square in a given circle. Thank you, and remember to subscribe.